Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set savings goals on the Paysera application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the savings section, set your goal and save for the things you have always wished for, which is the second option, so click on it. Tap on the Create button at the bottom of the screen. Then type in the name of your goal, then click on the Continue button. You should set the amount you would like to save and click on the Continue button. You can set an end date. Here you can select it from the calendar and then click on the Continue button. You can set a repeat payment by tapping on this button. You can select the account, the amount and choose a period and then click on the Continue button. Now we should wait a few seconds. As you can see, it has been done. So you are done with your savings. Tap on the One More Thing button and pick the most suitable category for your account as saving. Here you will be able to find it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.